Um, Hello everyone, we are the team creators from Savita Engineering College, and the problem statement we have taken is AI for smart contracts. And before going to this, a lot of people think blockchain is something that is actually complex, and most of the common people are not using it. So we have created something called as IntelliChain agent, through which people can just interact with the blockchain just by prompting. Yes, just by prompting. So if I have to say more about IntelliChain, the problem that the users are actually facing are Web3 interactions, like facing or looking into any blockchain apps are quite complex and intimidating, and it can actually consist of complex terms which a normal user cannot understand. And because of this, a lot of blockchain apps feels frustrated to the users. And so navigating complex interfaces and understanding what are the technical terms like smart contracts or gas fees and etc., a lot about this blockchain are so confusing. And to manage gas fees and to generate something or to transfer something, it's actually giving something a lot of pressure for the user. So our vision is to create something that is so simple to interact with the blockchain just with pure English. Just you have to give a prompt and everything will be done by the AI. So here what we have created is the user just have to input a prompt, and the AI will translate the user's prompt into something, a smart contract, and which will be previewed or approved by us, and then it will be executed by the BlockDAG primordial testing. So these are the main motors of a project. So, and the key features and use cases are it many people find it too hard to use blockchain, so we just made it simplified. So we just made it with React, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS, OpenAI, GPT, and Esther's.js and blockchain network. So if I have to go to the homepage, this actually looks like this. So this is how our homepage looks like. So what we are going to do is now interact with the IntelliChain chat and look how we have simplified the blockchain. So I'm just going to the chat. So here we have to, I have just connected my MetaMask wallet in my browser. So it's just loading. So here you can clearly see that this is my MetaMask account wallet. So here all I have to do is just connect to the MetaMask to the block this application. So here it is actually connecting. So it actually takes quite a minute. So here, yeah, here you can actually clearly see the account balance that I can actually probably show it here too. So yeah, this is my MetaMask wallet, and this balance is actually fetched and is displaying here. So this is your interactive surface. All you have to do is just like you can just interact, like check balance, and everything will be done. Yeah. So here you can actually find your balance, that is your account balance is 51.9892. So this is actually that happens behind the scenes, which is actually displayed here. So we made it so simplified for even the common users can actually easily access the blockchain. So you can we also have features like let me give it as transfer 10 BDAC to. So I actually have another account in my another browser. So this is actually my MetaMask, another MetaMask account. So let me actually connect it. So if you just install the app and we can just connect it to your MetaMask account, like see here you can actually see that, yeah, this is my another account, so in which it consists of 40 BDAC. So it is actually fetched and displayed here also you can do the similar kind of things. And I just want to copy this address. So yeah, I'm done. So I'm just going and placing it here. So I want to transfer 10 BDAG to that account. So let me see what happens here. So I just submit the prompt. So here it actually displays that the details like how much amount I am actually sending, and to which account I'm actually sending it, and the token contract and the current balance that I'm actually having. So once I submit the prompt, it actually fetches the details and asks for confirmation message like this: in order to confirm transfer of 10 BDAG to this account. So once I click confirm transfer, so it is actually preparing something and it will actually trigger the MetaMask wallet. So here, yeah, this is asking for a transfer request to that account. So I just click confirm. So everything will be actually, here it is actually pending confirmation. Once it is confirmed, all the details will be fetched. Yeah, and it's done. Yeah, here it is actually displaying the transfer summary, balance verifications, and etc. and a lot. So here we successfully received the transformation successfully and balances are updated. So here it is actually clearly visible, and here also you can actually chat with the AI blockchain assistant to ask for some information or any kind of informations like what are check balance. You can actually check your balance here, or swap tokens. Actually, swap tokens, this is just a simulation we have done, because in testnet mode currently swap tokens cannot be done. So we just made something a simulation for that. And then comes the stack tokens. So these are similar kind of opportunities that we have created. So in case of stacking a token, it will actually generate a smart contract. So yeah, it is actually visible here. So once we execute transaction, so we can here get a message that transaction is submitted successfully. So this is something that will be so useful for the common users. Even the blockchain who are actually new to blockchain can be easily adapted to this. So we just minimizes the hard things in blockchain and simplifies it for the user. And yeah, you can actually download your uh, chat history and etc, and everything will be displayed here. And we also have a dashboard of about our tokens and our spendings etc. So yeah, this is a BlockDAG dashboard in which you can actually see your activity, or what are the transactions that you have made, the average response it takes, the gas efficiency, etc. And it also tells about your recent activities and etc. And you can also connect your MetaMask wallet here, and we can actually convert it. Like we also have a converter like BlockDAG to, if we have five amount, how much it will be in a USDC coin, how much actually it will cost if we swap it. So etc. can be actually easily visible here. So you can actually see it. So let me see it. We take an Ethereum coin and a BlockDAG, and let me see it is a 10 value. So it will be once we convert, the value would be like this. You can actually check it like here also. And these are the recent transactions. You can actually edit it, and you can actually see it and interact with it. And that's it for it. So we just wanted to make everything simplified and for every new user who is actually into the blockchain. And that's it. Thank you.